How to fix Messenger verification code not sending. First, try using other methods. You might have added other contact methods like email and another phone number. Try exploring those methods. You can receive the codes via other methods. Your problem will be fixed. But if you do not have any other contact methods and if you're not being able to receive the code, it might be because you've entered incorrect phone number. For that, open the Facebook. Tap on the three lines that you can see at top left corner of your screen. Tap on the option Settings and Privacy. Tap on the option Settings. Now you can access the settings. Tap on the option Account Center. Once you do that, tap on the option Profiles and Personal Details. Under the section for personal details, you can find the option for Contact Info. Tap on it. Make sure the phone number that you added are correct. You can also go ahead and add another mobile number or email. Once you do that, try using those contacts in order to receive the verification code. Your problem should be fixed. If not, try checking the junk folder. Open the message application on your device. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at top. Tap on the option Spam and Blocked. Now you'll be able to see all of your spam messages over here. If you're trying to receive the code via email, open the Gmail on your device. Tap on the three lines that you can see at top. Scroll down. Tap on the option Spam. Over here you might be able to see the code. If not, there might be some problem with your network connection. Try turning on the airplane mode for a while. Scroll down from the top of your screen. Find the option for airplane mode and tap on it. Wait for about a minute. Tap on the option airplane mode again in order to turn it off. Once you do that, try receiving the code again. Your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, try clearing the cache of Facebook. Open the app library of your device. Find the application for Facebook and long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Tap on the option Storage and Cache. Tap on the option Clear Cache. Once the cache is cleared, your problem should be fixed. These are basic fixes for your problem. Like this, you can fix verification code not sending on Messenger. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.